The year was 1942. The world was at war. A veil of secrecy descended upon a remote laboratory in Los Alamos, New Mexico. The best minds in physics assembled there. Their mission? To build the atomic bomb. This was the Manhattan Project. The project was shrouded in secrecy. Very few people outside the project knew about it. This secrecy was deemed crucial for national security. It was also seen as necessary to prevent the technology from falling into the wrong hands. The Manhattan Project was a success. It produced the atomic bomb. But it also raised a profound question. What is the price of secrecy when developing powerful new technologies? The Manhattan Project serves as a potent reminder. Scientific progress can be a double-edged sword. It can be used for good. It can be used for destruction. This duality lies at the heart of our current predicament. We are now on the cusp of another technological revolution. This time it's artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is rapidly advancing. We stand at a crossroads. Should the development of advanced AI be kept secret, or should it be open and transparent? This is not just a technical question. It's a question with profound ethical, social, and geopolitical implications. The choices we make today will shape the future of humanity. The stakes couldn't be higher. AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare to transportation, from education to defense. The possibilities seem limitless. But there is a dark side to this technological coin. AI also has the potential to be misused. It could be used to create autonomous weapon systems. These systems could select and engage targets without human intervention. This is a terrifying prospect. Proponents of secrecy argue that it is essential for national security. They point to the current geopolitical climate. Nations are vying for technological supremacy. In this environment, they argue, keeping AI research secret is necessary to maintain a competitive edge. Secrecy, they say, prevents adversaries from gaining access to sensitive technologies. It also protects national interests. Furthermore, advocates for secrecy argue that it can help prevent the misuse of AI. By keeping the most advanced AI systems out of the wrong hands, we can reduce the risk of them being used for malicious purposes. They argue that open access to AI research could provide bad actors with the tools they need to create harmful technologies. Secrecy, they believe, is a necessary safeguard. Section 4. Arguments against secrecy, the open source advantage and ethical concerns. On the other side of the debate are those who believe that transparency is crucial. They argue that open access to AI research would foster collaboration and accelerate innovation. Just as the open source movement has led to remarkable advancements in software development, so too could transparency in AI research lead to breakthroughs. Sharing knowledge, they argue, is more likely to lead to beneficial outcomes than hoarding it. Perhaps the most compelling argument against secrecy is the ethical dimension. Critics argue that developing AI in the shadows raises serious ethical concerns. It lacks accountability. It concentrates power in the hands of a few. This lack of transparency could lead to the development of AI systems that are biased, discriminatory, or even dangerous. Openness, they contend, allows for public scrutiny and ethical debate, which are essential for ensuring that AI is developed responsibly. Section 5. The future of power. Will AI reshape the world order? The question of secrecy versus transparency in AI development is not just a matter of policy. It is a question that strikes at the heart of our values. It forces us to confront the kind of future we want to create. A future where knowledge is shared and power is distributed, or a future where knowledge is power and power is concentrated? The answer is far from clear. The Manhattan Project showed us that secrecy can be a powerful tool. But it also showed us the devastating consequences that can result when powerful technologies are developed in the shadows. As we stand at the dawn of the AI age, we must ask ourselves a sobering question. Could secrecy in AI development lead to the next major shift in global power, similar to the atomic bomb? And if so, are we prepared for the consequences? The choices we make today will determine the answers to these questions.